Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to install WordPress on your domain using Namecheap. If you want to create a website or a blog quickly and easily, WordPress is a great place to start. Installing WordPress on your domain lets us build a full website with a simple, powerful content management system. With WordPress, we can design our site, publish content, and manage everything from one dashboard, even if we have little technical experience. Now, let's walk through the easiest way to install WordPress on your Namecheap domain. First, open your browser. Once your browser is open, go to namecheap.com and log into your account. After logging in, we go to the dashboard. In the dashboard, we go to cPanel. To access cPanel, first click the hosting list. Since we already have hosting, click Go to cPanel. Once we are redirected to the cPanel, we can see WordPress under the Scripts section. Let's click this. Here, you will see the option to install WordPress. The installation is simple. Always select HTTP and choose your domain. You can pick the latest version, which is currently 6.9.1. Click this. Check your password. Always enter a strong password here. Let's look at an example. Make sure the password is correct. You can also set the language to English. When you are ready, set your site name and description and choose any preferences you want. When everything is set, click Quick Install. Then click Install to start the installation. Save the password. Wait for the installation to finish. When it's done, congratulations. The software is installed. That's how we install WordPress on your Namecheap domain. Once the installation is complete, we can start customizing the site and adding content right away.